One thing I really struggle with as a developer is constantly finding new ways to make my header text look awesome. One way we can fix this is by copying what they do in stories and novels and making the first letter of the header look absolutely phenomenal. Unfortunately, in HTML and CSS, this can be a little bit complicated, and a common implementation I often see is by splitting the first letter into its own h1 tag and leaving the remaining text inside of a second h1 tag. Then you put them inside of a div with a display flex, and now you can independently target each of them and style the first of type h1 and have the first letter turn green. However, there is a much more efficient way to do this. Putting our text back together, what we can instead do is use a pseudo selector that is first letter, so the first letter pseudo selector, and that will select the first letter of our text, and inside of the style we can set a whole lot of special properties that will only be applied to the first letter of our h1 tag, and you can see here that that all works, and consequently we have that first letter header text and everything is perfect. Super interesting headers. Like and subscribe for more CSS tips and tricks.